In this video, you will learn about stunning landscapes, crystal clear water, and picturesque beaches with white sand. Get ready for an exciting journey and learn about the anomalous event that happened with a drone during filming. Ibiza is not just a party destination, but also an amazing island with its own secrets. So this is a rocky island with an area of 573 square meters, which is almost 1/6 the size of Mallorca, but 10 times larger than Manhattan in New York. Ibiza has many more secret spots than you might think, especially for those who come to this magical corner of the Mediterranean in search of parties and general fun. The secret is that not far from the huge club, crowded beaches, and large hotels and restaurants, Ibiza has a peaceful and beautiful side worth discovering. The north of Ibiza is considered one of the most beautiful and tranquil parts of the island. A unique place not only for its crystal clear water and almost zero visitors, but also for the mysterious phenomena. My experienced friend Marvik, that's my drone for those who don't know, suddenly became uncontrollable. It refused to fly, didn't respond to joystick controls, and when it suddenly activated, it chose its own route and speed. In the end, everything turned out fine, after I had to slightly change the flight location. Since there were no power lines or airports within the radius, I think the chemical composition of the volcanic rocks in this area caused magnetic interference. Just a heads up for those planning to fly in these places. Located on the northern coast, the compact and beautiful Portinatx resort is surrounded by sparkling turquoise waters, and most importantly, everyone is drawn to the tranquility of this place. We stayed at the adults-only Sandos Hotel. Excellent service, fresh seafood, and Spanish paella will captivate you. The pool at your feet offers afternoon activities for both boys and girls, such as swimming, diving, and water polo. And for those who prefer snorkeling, an incredibly beautiful cove awaits you just a 5-minute walk away. However, you will have to pay extra for the sunbed. One day in the northern harbor of Portinatx will never be enough. for those who still have energy left after everything, evening entertainment is offered. Spanish, flamenco, and the mesmerizing paso doble will leave you captivated. Ibiza offers more than just parties. It is a sanctuary of natural wonders that must be preserved and protected. Don't miss our next adventure. Subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of Ibiza.